Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare Jini dosa. This is easy to prepare and will taste so good. First let us get ready with the batter. For the batter we need 2 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of semolina, a little salt for taste and water. You have to add water little by little and give this a nice mix. We need to get this consistency. Once you get this consistency, you have to add 2 cups of idli batter. If you want to prepare idli batter, you can refer our idli batter preparation video. The link is there in the description box. You can click it. Now give everything a nice mix. The batter is ready. Let us give this a rest for another 10 to 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes our batter is ready to use. So batter is ready. Let us move on and check the other ingredients. This is grated paneer, that is cottage cheese, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, a little amount of chilli powder, a little amount of chaat masala. Next is Schezwan sauce. For preparing this sauce, the link is there in the description box. You can click it. The prepared batter, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped spring onions, chopped cabbage, grated carrot and chopped capsicum. For preparing this dosa, I am going to use Idayam mantra groundnut oil. For each dosa, you can use 1 or 2 teaspoons of groundnut oil. Spread the dosa batter on a hot tawa. Spread some oil on it. Now keep it in low flame and start adding the other ingredients. Spring onions, few chopped onions, chopped tomato, chopped capsicum, grated carrot, chopped cabbage, 1 big spoon of Schezwan sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, grated paneer, that is cottage cheese, a little chilli powder, a little chaat masala and the required amount of salt. Now give a nice mix and spread it on the dosa. Once the dosa is ready, you can add the mozzarella cheese. The cheese got melted, we can take it out now. You can serve this as it is, or you can slice it into pieces and shape them. Roll and shape this. And here our Jini dosa is ready. While serving, top this with few chopped cabbage, grated carrot, spring onions, chopped tomato, chopped onion, finally some grated paneer. This will taste so good. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.